I'm Dr. Vadiraj, HOD and consultant radiation oncologist, Manipal Hospitals, Old Airport Road, Bangalore. Recently, we have procured this Radixact X9 with Synchrony, which is first in India. This machine has the capability of tracking the tumors which move with respiration. For example, a tumor located in the lung which needs to be treated. Earlier days, we used to either ask the patient to hold the breath for 20 seconds and then treat the tumor, switch on the beam, and after that, again make the patient comfortable breathing, and then again ask the patient to take a deep breath and hold. And the treatment used to happen only in the breath holds, and this used to take a longer time to treat. In another RPM technology, the patient's tumor was treated only in a particular phase of respiration. But in this machine, there is a linear accelerator and there is a imager at the bottom which exactly tracks before the tumor is treated, which is called as image guided radiation. And there is a KV panel as well as an X-ray tube on the other side, and there is an infrared camera which is mounted to the ceiling. This infrared camera tracks the respiratory pattern of the patient and gives a feedback to the machine, and the X-ray tracker tracks the tumor exactly which is there in the lung, liver or pancreas, and this gives a feedback to the linear accelerator head, which has a moving leaves or moving jaws, and this feedback given by the infrared sensors and the X-rays exactly allows the machine head or the leaves to track the tumor and follow the tumor when the tumor is moving with respiration. Thereby, we restrict the margins around the tumor, minimize the side effects to the surrounding either lungs, liver or gastrointestinal tract when we are treating the pancreas tumors. That is the greatest advantage, and the whole treatment gets over in 20 minutes compared to other technologies where it used to take half an hour or 45 minutes. And the most important thing is the patient would be breathing normally when their treatment is happening. For example, if a patient has a tumor in the lung, they can be operated, or if the patient refuses surgery or if the patient is not fit for surgery, then probably these tumors can be treated with this Synchrony technology and the treatment can get over in 5 days. Apart from this Synchrony technology, this machine can treat 140 centimeters length, especially when the treatment lengths are more. In children, medulloblastoma, when we treat craniospinal irradiation, usually the treatment lengths are bigger, and these treatments can be done in one go. In the earlier systems, probably we had to keep 2 or 3 junctions, come inside twice or thrice into the room and reposition the patient and treat. But with this machine, once we position the patient, the whole treatment can be done in one go in a shorter period of time. And the treatment also is much more precise because of the binary MLC. That is a feature of this helical tomotherapy system. It is faster, and it also has a image guided radiation treatment. As I mentioned, it has a MV panel inside this helical ring, which wherein we are able to track the exact position of the tumor when we do the treatment. And this machine also has softwares which can do adaptive radiotherapy, especially when the treatment of patients are 1 to 1.5 months. During this 1.5 months treatment, if the tumor position changes, the normal structures will get excess dose. To minimize the excess dose to the normal structures, sometimes we replan, and this replanning can be done with the precision software which has a adaptive radiotherapy capability. Thank you.